Hey guys, welcome to MyHeaven channel. This is Kristen here. Hello, baby sky. Oh yeah. We are in Orange County, San Clemente, right by the ocean, man. Amazing, look at the view here. You got all these homes, beachfront property, man. And
right off of PCH.
yeah,
Pacific
so
Coast Highway.
you get access to your own private beach, man.
Look at that curvature there.
Wonder.
Laguna, way up there.
So we just filmed a bunch of model homes. You can see on this side, they all have ocean view, but they're pushed back up on the hill. They
on the cliff.
They don't have access to the beach, but they're still really close. So please go ahead and check out those models, the videos we're gonna upload on the channel. Let us know in the comments which one you like the best.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, there's also a trail here, a walking trail. So,
there's like here, same thing right here.
yeah.
Go fishing.
Yeah. We've gone fishing before.
There's no like.
Which one did we go fishing on?
I think that was Balboa.
Yeah, we caught like a whole
Balboa or
bucket.
Newport, I'm not sure.
We got a whole bucket of fish, man.
Maybe it was Newport.
That was crazy.
Yeah. The trick is you gotta put multiple hooks on your line.
Yeah.
That's what somebody taught us. It's like a pro fisherman.
7 hooks on one fishing line. And you throw it in, you catch like 3 or 4 fish at a time.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You know? That's crazy. We gotta go fishing again. Do you think your dad still has fishing rods? Like in the garage somewhere? Well, we should actually ask him when we come back. Maybe we can go fishing with us, you know?
Let us know if you want us to do a live vlog.
A live vlog of fishing.
Fishing.
Yes.
In California.
That would be fun. We can kind of bet how many fish we can catch in an hour.
Yeah.
The only problem is you have to go early in the morning. It might be kind of dark to film. I mean, I guess you can film around 8 in the morning or something like that. But if you go like at 5 in the morning, you know, you can't really see much.
Oh, you can take Baby Sky fishing.
Yeah, where's Baby Sky? Let's see him. We don't see him. Hi, Baby Sky.
Is he awake?
Yeah, he's tired.
Yeah.
He's like, looked at
He had a good nap on our housing tour.
He looked at 5 homes. He's like, yeah, it's enough, man.
Time for another bottle.
He's like, I want to go back home and sleep in my crib, man. It's so much better. So much more comfortable than being on the road. Yeah, we're driving like 300 miles from Vegas to come here and film some of these models for you guys. So hopefully these videos came out okay. And
hit that like button.
Yes.
You hit that subscribe button.
Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. See you next one. Beautiful view here. Thank you. Bye.